Damn. I'm gonna be honest with you guys. I did not want to make this video because I knew how many trolls are gonna come out from it. But you know what? I've been very transparent with the entire build ever since when I first started making videos all the way until now. As you can probably tell by the title of this video, it's true. Before I tell you how it happened and when it happened, I should have listened to those of you who warned me about the potential dangers with running an almost 400 wheel horsepower on the stock EJ25 block. You know, you guys were right. I knew I should have built it. Most high horsepower stock block Subarus are like ticking bombs, and mine was no exception. The best and only way to have a 400 horsepower Subaru is if you have it built. I'm not gonna lie, I did think my car was gonna last long, but I was wrong. Shh. It pays to play, I guess. My main purpose for documenting my build series when I upgraded the turbo, fuel system, intercooler, equal-length headers, and when I added the other supporting mods was to prove everyone wrong that you can have a high horsepower stock block Subaru. And I'm not gonna lie, when I finished my turbo upgrade build series, I was feeling great. The car was pro tuned, it was pushing 22 pounds of boost all the way to redline, it made 384 wheel horsepower and 401 wheel torque on 85. I kept telling people that mine won't die, which by the way, you can still watch this build series in my Subaru video playlist. Every year, every month, and every day, someone falls victim of a blown EJ. And today, it was me. Rest in peace, Blobeye. The OEM one, equal that one right there. Not gonna lie, I think I am gonna miss the rumble, but performance over sound any day. Now what we want to do, we want to apply a thin coat on the studs.
99 flashing lights, don't move, hands up to the sky. What should I do? Just run away. Something that is cannot change. I try to do the best that I can. This shit all the way, but I won't do it all.
Notice that the parent turbo inlet is significantly bigger compared to the OEM one. Finally done. I say 385 wheel and maybe 410 torque, 22 pounds of boost. That's what I feel like. I don't know. Let's see. Alright, let's be real now. You guys really want to know what happened? Well, some of you actually pointed it out a couple videos back when I accidentally pumped 87 octane instead of the intended 91 octane. Well, it was my fault. Truthfully, I thought I pumped 91 octane, but I pumped 87 octane. That's whack. Because my car is flex fuel tuned for E85 and 91 octane, I cracked the ringland for accidentally filling up on 87 octane. So that's how I blew up my engine. But you wanna know something? April Fools!